Okay, in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to do the cutout effect in Photoshop, just like what you can see in this particular example that I've got here. Now, the first thing you need to do is go into Google, so when you launch your browser, go into Google and you need to put in a couple of keywords. I've put in man, suit and fashion, and that hopefully will give me a fashionable shot of a man in a suit. I've chosen this one. Don't forget to do the full-size image. Don't take the thumbnail, take the full-size image. And you need to right click on it and do a save image as. Now for your project, you're going to save this in either your My Pictures folder or wherever it is that you're saving your projects. I'm going to put this on the desktop because that's where I'm going to put mine. Click on save, and I'm going to close down my browser for a little while, and I'm going to go into Photoshop. Now, first thing you're going to do is go File, Open, and navigate to wherever it is that you saved your file. I saved mine on the desktop, so I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to click Open. I'm going to put this guy to the right. Now what I need to do is create a canvas, and by doing that I'm going to do File, New. I'm going to change the custom preset. I'm going to go to International Paper and I need A4. So I'm going to make an A4 piece of paper. Make sure it's in RGB color and it's an 8-bit, and make sure you've got a white background. I'm going to rename this one, and I'm going to name this Magazine Cutout, because that's what this one is, and I'm going to click on OK. And there you have it. Now I have a sheet of A4 that I can use to create my image. Now, going back to my model, you need to use the polygonal lasso tool, which is over here, and this is what I'm going to use to cut out my model. Okay, so click to select. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, what you're going to have to do is click for every cut point, just like you would do with a pair of scissors. So I want to click around this guy. Keep clicking. So just click once for every edit point that you want to make. Just a few more. Okay, for the last click, you've got to click wherever you clicked on your first edit point, and that is going to seal the selection. So now you've got the rolling ants. This is called the rolling ants. This is what has made our selection. So now we need to go back to the Move tool, which is on the top left. Use the Move tool, and you're going to click and you're going to drag it into your canvas. Click and let go. Or click, drag and let go. Okay, so now I have this guy in my image. Now you can't see the border that you've made because you've also got a white background. So in your Layers tab, we need to double click on this blank space. I need to create a drop shadow. You can always see a slight drop shadow on the left. I'm going to change the color of it by clicking here, changing it to red. Click OK. I'm going to change the distance. I'm going to increase the distance a little bit. Just give it about 40 pixels. You can also change the angle if you wanted to as well. Whatever looks good. I think 100, somewhere around here. 100, yeah, somewhere around the 120s, 130s mark. Click OK, and there you have it. You've done.